goodness, there is nothing like coming out to your garden and picking some cherry tomatoes. This is my favorite. It's called Sunsugar. It is like so sweet. It's delicious. I don't know, it just tastes really sweet and really fresh. I absolutely love it.
We want to inspect the cucumbers. They're looking good. There's no spoiled pieces. Ones that are about this size, I will just pickle them whole. Ones this big, I'll have to cut them up before I pickle them. I also have 2 bowls off to the side. So what I'm doing is, this one is a lot bigger than this one. I'm trying to put them in separate bowls. It will be easier when I'm packing the jars. When you are trimming your cucumber, you want to take a 1/4 inch off of the blossom end, which is this end here. This is where it hangs on the vine, and it's this end that you take off. You can take off both. It is important to take off a 1/4 inch off of the blossom end at least, because if you don't, it does release an enzyme that causes it to be bitter. So here I have 2 washed bowls full of cucumbers that I want to pickle. I'm going to be soaking them overnight, minimum of 12 hours in pickling salt and water and ice, and that will help firm up the pickles for pickling, because no one likes a mushy pickle. It must be nice and crispy. This is a great way to do it. I divided it. This bowl has a little bit smaller pickles, and these are a lot bigger. It's just easier if I try to kind of at least go from large to small, hopefully, just to pack them easier. Okay, I have here 4 cups of water, and I have 8 cups of ice, and then I have a 1/2 cup of pickling salt. Just want to add it into the water. Just grab a whisk. Just dissolve the pickling salt. We're going to be soaking the cucumbers for a minimum of 12 hours in pickling salt, water, and ice. And we're just going to pour it over the iced cucumbers. We just put it in the fridge and let it cool. You can put it in an area if you have somewhere cold or cool in your home. I have room in another fridge. I'm just going to put mine in there and let them soak overnight. I don't want the cucumbers to float, so I'm just going to place a plate over it just to help it out a little bit. You can put a bigger plate if you want. This will be good. As you can see, I've doubled the recipe. If I want the cucumbers really submerged and I found they're floating, I'll just fill up one of these with water so that I can help weigh it down.
Bye.